Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Princess Peach on Dress to Impress with no VIP. So I'm going to just remove everything except for the ones... Oh my gosh, I just took off the crown for some reasons. I was going to say without adjustments, but I just took off the crown. But let's just start with the crown. Actually, let's start with the hair. So for the hair, grab this and color it yellow, FFC214 in default. Grab this hair in the same color, no adjustments made, and this hair too in the first toggle in the same color. Then we're going to grab this crown from codes, if I can just find it, this one in the second toggle, and I'm just going to color it this gold color 89C D1C, 896 sorry D1C. I'm just going to position it a little bit to the back here, and I'm just going to scale it down a little. Okay, I guess I made it like move back a little bit more. Hold on. Okay, there you go. So position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.52, and scale it to 0.36. Then for the red gem, I use these earrings in just this red over here, and position the X, okay, these are the earrings, the X to 0.48, Y 0.8, Z 0.61. Then I rotated it, the X to 0.62, Y 0.60, Z 0.42, and scale it to 1. For the earrings, for the other gems, I use these pearl earrings in this color 3EDBEC. Position the Y 0.84, Z 0.39, and scaled it to 0.31. Now for the outfit, we are going to use this item here. Turn off everything except for the undershirt and gems. So leave that on. Color the first one is pink, FF98AB. The second one, this color, E86A86. Then the same color again. Then this gold color, C39B27. Then this blue, 26838C. For the skirt, we're going to use this in light silk, and then light silk again in a darker pink. The darker pink again in light silk. Go to the World Cultures Day, grab this dress in only skirt, and color it that light pink for everything. Grab this skirt in light pink in light silk. And then grab this skirt as well in only skirt, no layer, in that light pink. Grab these shoes, these heels, in a light pink and a darker pink. Lastly, we just need these sleeves. This one in the lighter pink color in light silk. Grab these gloves, turn off fur and color it white, and then these sleeves as well, color it white. And that is it. That is Princess Peach with no VIP at all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Sorry, I'm just adjusting this a little bit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.